how to use WhatsApp in laptop. So if you want to use WhatsApp in your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just go with the search and search for WhatsApp web. After searching for WhatsApp web, you need to click on web.whatsapp.com and you'll have this kind of interface. So in order to use WhatsApp in your laptop, you need to log into your WhatsApp. So in order to log into your WhatsApp, what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application on your phone, and then your Android, you can tap on the three dots, which will be in the top right, or on your iPhone, you need to tap on settings, which will be on the bottom right. And you will have linked devices option. You need to tap on linked devices and then link device. You need to scan the QR code, and after scanning the QR code, make sure that you stay on your WhatsApp and you'll be logged in on your laptop. So in this way, you'll be able to use WhatsApp in your laptop, or you can also go with the application. You may find the WhatsApp application on your Microsoft Store. You can download the application and log into your WhatsApp on your laptop. That's how you can use WhatsApp in your laptop, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.